Please listen carefully.
In 2012, a small group of Kiwis took an even smaller car to the iconic Bonneville Salt Flats. The car was a 1964 Mini Cooper S, and we took it to Bonneville Speed Week to see if it could break a few records. The short answer was yes. In August 2015, we're heading back to the Salt with more power, taller gears, and more grey hair. In the lead up to Speed Week, we thought we'd make a few short videos to answer some of the questions we've been asked over the last few months. This week we're heading to the world of wearable arts and collectible cars in Nelson, New Zealand, and we're going to talk to Garry Orton, one of the project founders. He's going to tell us a little bit about the changes that are happening to the car this year in preparation for Speed Week 2015.
Last time we had 286 horsepower on petrol with 18 pounds of boost. We're sort of aiming for the low 300s, 310, 315 with 18 pounds of boost this time. Methanol is a different animal altogether. With 10 pounds of boost, our engine was 326 horsepower on methanol. So this time on methanol, if we can get it tuned properly, could knock on the 350 horse, which is quite a bit for 1,000 cc's. Well, the cooling system, we run a 60 litre water tank inside the cockpit of the car, so all the water from the engine circulates through that via electric pump. So we don't run the original water pump at all now. We're now going to also run the oil pipes into that tank and cool them as well, because our oil temperature was going through the roof last time. Changes to the gearbox, we're changing from the 3.0 to 1 diff ratio to 2.9 to 1. So as long as the engine will pull the 10,000 revs that we pulled last time, that will give us quite an increase in speed. The engine is a 970cc Cooper S engine. Now that engine is the same bore size as the 1275, has a very short stroke crankshaft. Crankshafts we've had made in Los Angeles. They're quite a clever looking piece of kit. The conrods are from KAD in the UK, and we have Ross forged pistons, and then of course the 16 valve BMW cylinder head on it. Modifications to the engine this time, we've changed the compression ratio on the engine. We've actually increased the compression ratio on one engine and decreased it on the other, and we've had some different specification camshafts made for it for both engines, and we'll dyno those engines and then finally decide on what camshaft combination we're going to use. Wheels and tyres, once again we're using the 155 55 12-inch tyre. It's the same diameter as the original 10-inch, but we've had to go to the 12 because we need a speed rating of over 150 mile an hour, and we couldn't get anything in 10-inch. So the tyres that we're using are these Yokohamas, and they're having all the tread shaved off them, and that'll increase our speed rating to probably 170, 175 mile an hour.
And we're aiming for 175, right?
That is the aim. At least I don't have to sit on it at that speed.
Exactly.
Hi, I'm Maria from Nelson, New Zealand, and we're really excited to have this great Project 64 World Speed Record Mini right here in our Classic Cars Museum.